Club Wealth events, oh my gosh, where do I start?
Every single event is amazing. I come out of them a much better agent, a much better person.
I learned something new at every single one, but over the years, my biggest takeaway has been the relationships that I have built.
And I think it's the content combined with the speakers, as well as everybody else who's present.
I think the power of the network here is probably the most important thing. I mean, you get to meet so many amazing people at these events. I mean, high producers from all across the country.
I mean, we're here to network, get to know other people, and improve our businesses. There's no better place to do that than a Club Wealth event.
How many of you have learned something that you think is going to make you 6 figures in the next 12 months? Raise your hands. Look at those hands go up.
As an effective leader, you need to be able to continue on when nobody else wants to.
Give them a chance to help you achieve results that you didn't think were possible.
The market's going to shift, and we see that as opportunity. You can always make more money in a down market than an up. You're just going to have to change the way you're doing things.
You see how you put them haters in their place? So haters are really good. What one man can do, another can do. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it here. I can do it now. I'll do it no matter what. I'll do